Hey there! Have you ever wondered why extra virgin olive oil is mentioned in nearly every health article and cooking show? Is it just hype, or is there something truly amazing about it? In the next few minutes, we're uncovering the real reasons why extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, is the healthiest oil you can use. We're talking benefits like lowering inflammation, boosting heart health, and even supporting a longer life. Plus, before we dive in, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more health tips like this. Let's jump right into why EVOO deserves a place in every kitchen. First, EVOO supports weight loss. By swapping out processed fats for wholesome monounsaturated fats in EVOO, you're taking a powerful step toward weight loss and better health. EVOO is packed with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that help boost your metabolism and set it apart from other oils. Try adding a spoonful to your morning smoothie or salad and feel the difference. Comment below if you're trying this tip. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Next up, EVOO reduces inflammation. If you're dealing with arthritis or joint pain, EVOO contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that eases pain similarly to ibuprofen. Regularly adding EVOO can help you feel more comfortable and flexible. Pro tip: drizzle EVOO over your favorite roasted veggies or use it as a dip for bread. This way, you're getting anti-inflammatory benefits without even thinking about it. Third, EVOO fights cancer. Its high polyphenol content gives it powerful cancer-fighting properties, targeting harmful cells without affecting the healthy ones. Some research even shows EVOO may help combat breast cancer, making it a smart addition to any diet focused on long-term health. For an extra health boost, drizzle EVOO on your dinner salads and enjoy knowing you're supporting your body with every bite. Leave a comment if you're as surprised as I was about this benefit. Fourth, EVOO protects brain health. Studies show EVOO's polyphenols can protect the brain from conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing inflammation and preventing cell damage. Regular consumption may help support memory, focus, and cognitive health as you age, keeping you sharp. Quick tip: try adding EVOO to your soups or even your scrambled eggs. It's a small choice with big benefits for your brain health. Then, EVOO boosts heart health. Its blend of healthy fats and antioxidants helps lower bad cholesterol and prevent artery blockages. EVOO is also stable when cooking, meaning it keeps its heart-healthy benefits intact. Make it a habit to use EVOO in place of butter or margarine. Your heart will thank you. If you're already doing this, comment below with a thumbs up. Sixth, EVOO supports diabetes management. With healthy fats that improve the body's ability to process fats and stabilize blood sugar, EVOO is an amazing option for those managing diabetes. Tip: add a dash of EVOO to your whole grains or pasta. Studies show it helps regulate blood sugar levels post-meal. If you or someone you know could use this advice, share this video with them. Finally, EVOO battles harmful bacteria. It's rich in natural antibacterial properties, capable of reducing harmful bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, linked to stomach ulcers and even certain cancers. By adding EVOO to your diet, you're promoting a healthier gut. Pro tip: take a teaspoon of EVOO before meals to prep your digestive system. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this one. Understanding polyphenols and cooking benefits. Polyphenol levels vary based on olive variety, harvest time, and storage. Oils made from early harvest green olives have the highest polyphenol content, giving them a longer shelf life and heat stability. Unlike other oils, EVOO retains its benefits even at higher temperatures, making it ideal for cooking and enhancing other foods. Bonus tip: use EVOO for sautéing veggies or roasting for max flavor and health. With each spoonful, EVOO brings a powerful array of health benefits that are deeply rooted in centuries of Mediterranean tradition. Its nutrient-packed profile makes EVOO one of the healthiest choices available for your kitchen. And there you have it. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just another ingredient. It's a true health-boosting powerhouse. From fighting inflammation and supporting heart health to protecting brain function and managing diabetes, EVOO is a gift from nature that belongs in every kitchen. If you're excited to try these benefits, start making EVOO a daily part of your routine. Drizzle it over salads, blend it into dressings, or use it in cooking. Each drop is packed with wellness for you and your family. Ready to start? Like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's passionate about health. Take that first step today by stocking up on quality extra virgin olive oil. Your body and taste buds will thank you.